Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Sentio token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Sentio is a decentralized on-chain data analytics platform that provide infrastructure for developers to track, analyze and monitor blockchain activity. Developer-focused data platform. It offers backend tools for building data-driven applications, not consumer-facing products. Decentralized node network. Data processing is handled by a network where nodes completes based on stake tokens and service pricing. Utility-driven tokenomics. The ST token is used for staking on nodes and paying for services with a total supply of 1 billion. Sentio token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 56 million ST token. ST token is listed on Binance Alpha, Gate.io, MEXC and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.